Hi, I'm Sandra, the creator at Sing, Play, Create, and today I'm sharing over 12 hello songs, name games, and activities you can use in your music class and your preschool circle times. Let's get started. Singing a hello song at the beginning of music class or in preschool circle time is a great way to help your students feel safe and included. Repetition is great for kids. They love to repeat those songs, so if you choose a hello song, you can use it for the entire school year. Hello songs are also a great way to build classroom community. It makes everyone feel a part of something when they're all singing and moving together. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel so you can get weekly updates on all the videos that will help you in your music classes. This is a super simple song that you can sing. It's to the melody of Frere Jacques or Are You Sleeping? Hello Tommy, how are you? Stand and wave hellos, then sit down. At the beginning of the school year, students may not know to, sit down after they sing their name, but that's okay. You don't have to keep the song going. You can go nice and slow, and you want everyone to echo sing while they're singing this song. That way, you're learning the names, but more importantly, everybody's learning each other's names, and it makes everybody feel special. If there's a child that doesn't want to stand, that's okay. Try and get them to at least wave. If they don't want to stand and say hello, wave. They can just sit in their seat. Later, you can have all the students pat their knees and sing the song. It's a really fun way to get everyone started in your class with this fun song, singing everyone's names, and then you can get right into your music activity. The Hello Tommy song is available in the Sing, Play, Create Easy Classroom Songs packet with songs to line up, sit down, happy birthday, and some other classroom songs. You can check it out. Song with me, then let's run and play. And I usually repeat the song 3, maybe 4 times, and once the kids know the song, you can walk around the circle, or you can use it as a mixer and have the students walk around and sing, "Hello my good friends, how are you today?" as they look at everyone, and then you tell them you're going to sing the song 3 times. And by the time they get done singing on the 3rd time, they have to be in their spot. And it's just a fun little game, icebreaker, name song that you can do at the beginning of music class. And it just works great for 1st, 2nd, and 3rd grade. This song is also on the Sing, Play, Create Kids music channel. And it's the first song in a compilation of hello songs and get to know you activities. You can get the link below. There's another fun name game if you want to check it out. It's in that compilation video. It's hello song, name game, and activities to get to know you. And it's really cute. It goes, "Hello, hello, what's your name?" And then the student sings, "My name's Sandra, that's my name." And then everybody sings, "Hello, Sandra, how do you do?" And then everybody sings together, "It's so nice to meet you." And they all point to each other. This is also a good mixer activity. Once they sing the song all the way through, you can have them do it with each other, walking around, and they're singing to each other, "Hello, hello, what's your name?" Put them in pairs, and then the other person says, "My name." This song makes a great mixer activity, a little icebreaker if you want to do that at the beginning of your class, because they can sing in pairs. So you could pair them up, or say to everybody, pair up, or turn to your neighbor to the right. And then if you need to, you can be the odd person or the even person that you need in the circle. And then they can sing, "Hello, hello, what's your name?" And the other person sings, "My name's Sandra, that's my name." And then the other person sings, number 1 sings, "Hello, Sandra, how do you do?" And then they sing together, and you can have them pat each other's hands or shake hands or elbow or fist bump, something fun you could choose as a class, or ask them to make something up. And they sing, "It's so nice to meet you." So if you do this activity with the mixer where they're in pairs, after they learn how to do it in pairs, you can take it another level up. You can have 2 circles. So you're going to have 1 circle on the inside and they're going to face everyone on the outside of the circle. And when they sing the song, they'll face one person, and then at the end of that, the middle or the outside, you could choose, but the middle people, they just move 1 spot over. So eventually everyone will move around and sing with everyone else in the class. It works really great for 3rd, 4th, and sometimes 5th graders. One of my favorite hello songs is called Everybody Say Hello. It's on our Sing, Play, Create YouTube channel. If you like that song, you can use the YouTube video, but if you want the literacy activities and get to know activities, you can head on over to the links at the TPT store and get the product and use that in any classroom. It's great for preschool up to 3rd grade. Everybody Say Hello is also a body percussion activity, and we've got that on the Sing, Play, Create YouTube channel. And what you're going to do is, I'm doing body percussion in the video. It looks like this. Let's do some body percussion. Pattern number 1, pat, clap, snap, clap. The thing I really like about this video is that you can have it playing as your students walk in the classroom. So instead of them coming in and having chat time and getting quiet, you have that music or that video playing. They come into the room and they're just doing a simple body percussion. And the movement with the music and singing and finding their spots, and you just say by the end of the song, everybody's got to be on their dot. It just makes it an easy get class started. What's great about this song is that we're getting our brain and our body to work together. We're singing a hello song, we've had a nice transition activity, and now we're ready to begin class. Just get everybody clapping. You can do this as they're coming in the room. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Stomp your feet. Stomp your feet. Say your name. Say your name. Feel the beat. Feel the beat. So at first, when you're saying say your name, you'll just be greeting students as they come in if you're using this for the first time. Or if you like, they can be in their circle and you're going to go around and you'll just say it to 2 or 3 students to teach everyone the song. Then you can do it with the whole class where you could have them go in order around the circle, so everyone would say clap your hands, everyone echoes you, clap your hands, everyone stomp your feet, everybody stomps their feet, and then student number 1, we're going to say your name, and student number 1 says Sandra, and then everybody says feel the beat, feel the beat. And you can have them pat or clap to feel the beat. I'm clapping because of the video. So you can have them do that at the beginning of class, so that works really great too. There's some modifications you can do with that chant. You can have them all sitting down and patting. Clap your hands. Jump up, stomp your feet. Say your name, and they could just turn to their neighbor and say their name just for a quick game. And then you could say take a seat, and then have everybody quickly sit back down. So if you taught them this chant, then you'd be able to use it as a transition song and take your time going around having everybody say their names. Or you could do it quickly like I just shared and have everyone just look at somebody and say your name and then quick sit down, because the program's this week and we've got to hurry and work on our songs because we only have so much time today in our class. So there's a couple ways that you can use that. That chant is available in the Sing, Play, Create TPT store, and the link is in the description. When I first started teaching music, I learned that it was important not to teach the same thing to too many classes through the day. Otherwise, I just got too bored. I just went stir crazy if I had to teach the same thing. Maybe that works for you, that's cool. But what it did for me is I ended up creating a different hello song for each grade level. I actually combined 4, 5, and 6 into one song because of the teaching situation that I had. But the K through 4, everybody had a different song. That meant at the beginning of the year, the new first graders coming in from kindergarten would learn a new song but I always taught first grade this song. It actually really helped to streamline my lessons. It meant I didn't have to come up with a new hello song every year or two. So I had a specific song for kindergarten, first grade, second grade, third grade, and 4, 5, 6 were one song that I used. That really helped with streamlining my lessons. So these next songs I'm going to share are those songs that I made up. I found that in kindergarten that the students weren't really even sure what their personal space was. So I just took a simple song called This Is the Way We, wash our hands, or This Is the Way We march our feet. And I took it and I just wrote some verses, and then at the very end we sing When We Come to Music. So they just did the actions in their spaces, but it got everybody learning to point to their head, to their eyes, to their nose, as all the verses in the song. Another one of those hello songs is Hello My Good Friends that I have shared earlier. It's in another video done a different way, but I also have a music class version of that. And the kids love this song because in first grade, everybody wants to be best friends. So it's Hello My Good Friends, how are you today? Come and sing a song with me, then let's run and play! Yay! And we sang those short songs 3 times so everybody had a chance to learn it and also just enjoy the song and doing our little run and play actions. Okay, the next hello song that I used, I had to change the words between morning and afternoon. So it depended if the class was coming in the morning or the afternoon, which version I sang, because it's hello, hello, good morning to you. Hello, hello, it's time to sing too. Sing high, sing low. We'll sing, 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 sing until we go. Hello, hello, good, and if it was afternoon, good afternoon. Hello, hello, it's time to sing too. And that was one of the hello songs that I used when they came into class. Just put the music on right away. I usually just played it on the piano once they knew it, and they would just sing that song, get in their spots, and then we were ready to begin class. You can tell by now that I think hello songs are an important part of music class. I just found they were a great transition activity. I think that's why they worked for me. They just got the kids in, they got them singing, they got them moving, and then after we sing our hello song, I always sang all of the student names and had them echo back to me, and when I sang their name, that would be their cue to sit down and help us echo sing all of the names. I just found it solved a lot of problems in classroom management because it let them know that this is the way we do things. We repeated it every class time. I honored everyone by singing their names, showed my respect. It helped me learn their names, but it also helped them learn each other's names in music class, and that was a really important thing to me to do too. So this next one is super fun because it has some tricky clapping in it. And it also changes between morning and afternoon. And so you can use it either way. And so this is how it goes. This is the rhythm. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. It's time to sing a song or two. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. It's time to sing a song for you. I always had fun teaching that end of the song. It took some of them a couple class times to get exactly when to clap, but they just loved singing it. Now I used that song with third graders because I felt like they could get the rhythm better than the second and first graders. The last hello song in this series is the fourth grade song, and this one we did solfege with it, and they sang it a cappella, and it was a round. So it was a bit of a challenge for them at the beginning of the year, but it was a good one to work on all those things. Every class time when they came in, we could be working on singing together, singing 2 parts, and working on our solfege. So it was a great warm-up and a really good transition activity. This song is really easy to sing, but the nice thing about it is that we're working on our solfege and our rhythm, and we're also getting to know each other, and that's an important part of the Kodály Music Classroom. I just love singing hello songs at the beginning of classes. Once the students know the songs, if I've used the accompaniment tracks or karaoke tracks, or I've used the videos, it's nice to then bring out the ukulele and sing them together, and they really like that too. So as the year progresses, you can change it up, but singing the same song throughout the school year will really help you with your classroom management, classroom community, and it just helps you as a teacher bring those kids back into music land. It gives them a nice transition activity from walking in the hall and being quiet, and now they get to make noise and say hello to everyone. Welcome to the party. Let's sing hello. The hello song. Hello, my good friends. How are you today? You may also want to sing a goodbye song, and this is a freebie in the Sing, Play, Create free resource library, and you can go to the website and check that out. But you can change the word goodbye to hello, so you can use it either way. And this is also in one of the Sing, Play, Create Kids Music Channel videos that are linked below. And it's just, hello my friends, hello, hello my friends, hello, hello my friends, hello my friends, hello my friends, hello. I've got posters in the freebie and with the chords and when to play what. So if you have a ukulele class, that would be a great song. They could sing their hello song, hello my friends, and then at the end of class, after they've done with their ukulele lesson, they could sing goodbye my friends, goodbye. I also would change the words to that song and use some foreign words, like they could go aloha my friends, aloha, or adios my friends, adios. It's a really fun song that they can use and sing throughout the school year. With those older grades, it's easy to switch this one up, and even though we're singing the same song, we change just one little word, which means that something new for them to learn. And like I said, with ukulele, it's especially fun to play on the ukulele because it's just the two chords, C and G7. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you liked it, I hope you give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Appreciate you. Let's keep kids moving and learning with music.